Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Like, this is an in the week vlog. For me personally, it's gonna be like a really quick vlog. Brr, real quick. I'm gonna go pick up Judah really quick. She wanted to do something. I'll tell you guys what anyway, it's quickie vlog. I'm gone. So I just got up to UTech really quick. I'm gonna head to BMBS really quick. Hopefully Judah is there waiting for me or something, you know. Right now, just wait to get change of the card. So get to the free right now. Like low key, I kind of wonder why Jamaica so backward sometimes. Like for example, I did have BMBS card, right? And they told me, you know, everything is good. Left there, they called back a few days later. Oh, it's not working. The card now work, please carry back in. I'm like, okay, cool. I can't do it till the card working. They call back the next day. I can't do it today. Then call back today. So I'm like, okay, man, I'll come up with UTech. Why not do everything at once? I come up here, they goes, the machine is not working here, so you have to redo it at another location. Like, why did I press my phone? But then tell me that it can't happen. Like, what if I actually left to just come and do that alone? Backwards, I swear. So we're at some place, I don't know where this is, to get Judah's nose pierced. Again. Why again? And she's leading us to the wrong place, guys. Blind, I lead blind.
Okay, there it is.
You find it?
But I missed the sign. Yeah.
Oh, Poppin. So we're going to Poppin, Jamaica. That's where we're going real quick. I'm getting a piercing too, guys.
Yeah, right.
I'm up here somewhere I can't really show y'all. You know what I mean? So we're finally in a Poppin.
What do you think about it?
No, can't fit.
I'm going to repierce one of them. Do you not realize this? No.
Fresh cash. You need me to hold your hand?
Where's the toy? I was just about to ask him. My squeezy thingy, my bum. You don't know what I thought? There it is.
Are you kidding me?
There it is.
No, but you're so excited if you pierce the nose again and I think they're not hurt. For that, Judah, you know what to do with that. So everything else up. I guess I'll cheer. Sit on fire, you know what I mean? So she'll go take her nose pierce real quick. Remember, Poppin, Jamaica. P-O-P-I-N, right? Halfway tree.
Yeah, so let me finish that one start.
Poppin, Jamaica.
As in...
Oh man. You have a bars on the hand to hold up on. What? Bars have her upon live Instagram, you know? Getting that nose pierced. Trying about to cry on the video, you know, they're on live, you know.
I won't cry. I think I will. The small one, right? I want the smaller one. I don't even realize that you are piercing, so yeah.
Oh.
There's all this stuff, guys.
This one.
Yeah.
But it's this one.
Yeah, but I like the study cuter. Isn't the stuff cuter?
No, anything here, though. That's the best way to show support. Like, if you like this.
Why is that shit not recorded?
Watch you squeeze.
Shit.
Boss knows. Wait, let's see those tears, man. Show us the tears. Come. Let's see the tears.
I'm allergic reaction. Look. Allergic to BS.
Magic. So we just got the piercing real quick. You don't know. Quick and easy, painless, right? Just a little bit.
Lucky I not need my ears again today.
What is that?
That part brought me tears.
Oh, snap. Yeah. I'll let teeth them lift up. Watch it.
Bye!
Let me see you look with it now. Let me see you look with it. It's rad small. Feel good? Rudolph, red nose reindeer. So what was cool was like, you know, the guy who, what's his name? You have a name?
Poppy, his name is Khalid, but yeah.
His name is Khalid, but you know, call him Poppy in the same way. And asked me if I was vlogging and he just subscribed to the channel right away. Well, he made me subscribe to the channel and thing, which is cool. Too bright. Feel like Jesus will come. Jesus, are you here? Oh. So and I have to give Judah big commendations because she's always late, and for the first time ever she actually got the timing spot on.
I
Big up
think
yourself.
your vlog is so tired of me showing you the middle finger. Anyways.
We not have coconut water?
Yeah, but them hard enough. They want to soft one.
Yeah, there's a water more. That's cool. Huh? Oh,
I'll get ice, so that's cool.
because it's hard?
Yeah.
Oh, your thing, that one.
I'll get ice, like what the difference in the hard and stuff.
No, meaning say, well, cut it if you want the food to eat.
No, I don't like the meaty though.
You don't like to eat?
No.
Liar.
Okay,
What's up, so old man?
I mean, if you get some about Martin and McCarroll, so I'm gonna go drink that really quick and then beat up this, you know?
Fuck, cheap boy. And take them talk, man. You talk so hard. 160.
160 for jelly?
So what you drink up? I say never want none.
I just testing
Remember
it
my
for
mother,
you.
I swear.
Just testing it for you.
I'll be your back what you just drink all I got up there.
Well, let me not comment.
Think too bad sounds like a personal issue. Names like I'm scared, like who the fuck is this dude? He's just rude.
In our traffic, guys. So go on easy back a little bit. Heading back home. Would have gone to like some photo shoot or whatever. So at the pre right now. Yeah. You guys are the passenger right now. Driving with me. In the traffic for free. Guys on board. So right now I'm in where am I? Yo, I'm the worst person with directions, to be quite honest with you, but they're building up like a new apartment building here. It's big. Like this thing is being built so quick, yo. Like Jano. But I'm somewhere in like close to Devon House, yeah, man. Guys, as I always tell you guys, I suck at directions. I'm the worst person for directions. I'm just not good at that. And I accept my personality, I accept that I'm not so good at it. And how I try to rectify that, I use Google Maps. Don't know. That sounded expensive. Yeah, so I was saying, guys, back when I was leaving out, like I'm just trying to do like a really quick vlog today, nothing too long or nothing like a travel vlog or whatever, because quite frankly right now I'm in the process of planning a trip, you know, planning to do something. It's one of our friends' birthdays. Big up yourself, Davine. You see me? Dana Oman. You know what I mean? Don't know if you are what you don't know, big up yourself. So that's gonna cost some cash, you see me? So whatever I planned for like this month, I can't really afford to do it because yo, it's not, yo, this thing isn't cheap. It's not like yo, you can just go up on one tree and just pick up some $100 bill and just pay for things. You understand? It's nothing like that. So I have a kind of hold up for this month, but I'm gonna still try to do some stuff, you know, for you guys to watch. Because I realize with YouTube, you know, the more videos you try to put out, the more subscribers you get, the more persons get to watch you. you know, help support the thing, because you know they're trying to build something, you know, where I try to represent Jamaica straight. And yeah, I'm actually supposed to go pick up some tickets. Someone's dropping out some tickets actually, because we have something we're going to be doing on Sunday. You don't know, for all of the hungry belly people who love food, we got you. I got you, boo. Not about you, nigga. You see me? We have that, so that might be the next vlog after this, to be honest. Or actually no, tomorrow is karaoke, so I'm taking you guys, I'm gonna be taking guys to karaoke, so I don't know. That laugh was fake at the end, nigga. You gotta cut that out, man. Sorry for no ears, I got bun off today. But like, I was gonna talk you guys through my driving style pretty much. Like when I'm driving in Jamaica, we have this bad habit. Like, for example, just now, there's a line of traffic. You know, people in front of me, as you can see, people behind me. It's a whole line of traffic. And what I do, if I get to an intersection and I see people trying to come out, I will stop and I will let through like 2 or 3 cars. Then I continue, because you don't really need a stoplight. It's all about order. So I try to do that, you see me. And hopefully people will do that for you, and then you know it can transcend. But sometimes people don't really do that anyway, so it's kind of like whatever. But you have to try to do good unto others, because the blessing will come back to you at some point. You know what I mean? That's what I think. All right, give me 2 bunch. Big up yourself, my boss. You see me? I got Guineps, guys. But you guys don't know, Guineps is like a Jamaican. I'll show you guys when I get home, man, because I can't really talk what I know.
So I just got home and I still got this Guineps seed in my mouth and stuff. But I'm gonna tell you what Guineps is for those of you who don't know about this Guineps game. This Guineps game is crazy, baby. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, right? Alright, there we go. We're in my backyard, so I can spit this out here. No big deal. I have a bad, well, probably not even a bad habit, but I like to like when I'm on the road and like I have garbage. I don't know how people like throw the garbage through the car. It's just so freaking strange for me. The Guineps seed I could have, because it's what do you call it? Damn, man. You were trying to sound smart right now. Now you sound stupid because you can't even find the word. I can find the word, nigga. Give me a moment, man. You can find the word. Is it biodegradable? Yeah, biodegradable. Meaning that, you know, it will break down and stuff. But yeah, this is a Guinea pretty much. So I don't know what to compare this to. It's like kind of like a lychee kind of. Pretty much just pop it in your mouth and stuff. And you remove the fleshy parts from the outside and you're good. I actually have a Guinea tree at the back of my house here, but it doesn't bear as much. These Guineps are not even, I don't think these are like the best quality, but I like supporting people, like the vendors them, you know, regardless. So you have like bigger ones that are, you know, fresher looking. This one tastes a little bit stale. Usually like you want it to look kind of like this or green, and not with this like the black stuff around it, because I guess that's when it's kind of spoiling and stuff. Some of them are busted, so yeah, but whatever. I'll just salvage what I got. But anyway, this is pretty much going to end the vlog right now. Thank you for this short vlog. I don't think it was that short. It was that much of a quickie. I don't really do things quick, isn't it? But yeah, I'm gonna call this guy to drop off the tickets for a special night. I'm gonna show you that after this vlog. And yeah, remember these 3 things, guys: love, nature, adaptation, and always, guys, remember, keep the link.
All I am is a man.